where I showed you how to use your DSLR camera in OBS Studio, but now I'm going to show you how to use your camera in StreamLabs OBS. SLOBS. So if you're familiar with this program here, StreamLabs OBS, I'll be showing you how to use the camera in that program instead. Just the same setup as before, where you have the 4K capture utility installed just to make sure that's on and you back out. You don't have to do that every time, you just have to make sure that it's installed on here, so that way if you want to record stuff without StreamLabs, you can go to this program and go from there. But if you don't want to do that, that's okay too, and you can go ahead and use this program or StreamLabs OBS. Now as for me, I already have this set up, and as you can see, this is my face right here with my green screen kind of cropped out horribly, which is okay. So in order for this to work, this is what you'll need to do. So you go ahead and start a fresh new scene, let's say, or an existing scene, and you go ahead and want to click the plus button. Now once you do that, you can go to video capture device and add source. The next step you could say is video capture source. Now basically going from here, you select the CamLink 4K and then you go ahead and select activate. And once these settings are the same as above, then you should be able to get your camera working just fine, just like that. And that shows you how to get your camera as a webcam in StreamLabs OBS. And there you have it. Now you have your DSLR camera set up as a webcam for StreamLabs OBS. Now if anything guys, if this has helped you out, don't forget to leave a like or subscribe or follow me on Twitch for more amazing videos just like this. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Peace. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Also, why not check out one of these other videos? I think you might enjoy them. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye everybody.